Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, I have a box from New Balance. Unfortunately, this is not the famous 550. I've been trying to get a pair of that, but they always sold out, so I may have to buy from StockX. But I think Nike is suing them for selling fake Nikes. So, do you have experience with StockX? I kind of want to buy a pair of 550 from them, so let me know. But let's unbox this and see what I get today. I mean, from the title, you probably know that this is the Made in USA 993. Let's take it out. So here is the box. And it does say Made in USA on the box. And on the side, it says Made in USA for over 75 years. So from what I understand, I think only 70% of the shoes is made in USA. I think this is what most companies are doing now. They make part of their products overseas and then assembly it in US. So, but from what I learned is they do 70% in the US for this pair of shoes. So let's take a look. And inside the shoe box, it does say with over 75 years of authentic American craftsmanship. New Balance Made in USA is designed without compromise. This pair represents our unwavering commitment to those who walk their own path. Oh wow, sounds nice. So this is what it looks like inside. Let's take this out. I think they are the same, so let's just look at it. The tag, and then this is the tongue. It does say Made in USA 993. And then the outsole, this is the outsole. The shoe itself is pretty lightweight, a little heavier than my Hoka, but it's pretty lightweight. And I think this New Balance comes with this white shoelaces. The toe cap is made with suede, I think some kind of suede leather and mesh for easy breathing, so that your feet don't get smelly. So, and also the back of it, and look like the end is kind of reflective. And this is the other side. I don't think it comes with extra shoelaces, unfortunately. So I think the big question is it worth it to buy a pair of Made in America New Balance, because it basically priced, I would say, more than, I would say, double of their regular lineup. So from what I observe is, so far the stitches are okay. Do I feel like it's the best? Probably not, because the suede leather, I don't think they cut in a smooth shape. The shape is not exactly so smooth. You do see a little kind of jagged there. Not horrible, but Maybe because they need to stitch over different materials, and with the high and low, it's hard for them to make it look more streamlined. So, but other than that, it looks okay. And the N logo embroidery on the tongue kind of have some thread hanging also. I mean, these are the small details. Ultimately, it got to be comfortable, right? So later on, I'm gonna try it on, and hopefully I can tell you more, and hopefully it's comfortable, because I really don't like to do returns. So I like this pair of gray color. I think it's really nice color, and it would be easier to match with my outfit. Like, you can wear it with a pair of jeans, or I think khakis, or in the summertime if you want to wear it with white shorts, I think it would look really nice as well. So I will put this aside and then go try it on, and I'll let you know more about how it feels on my feet. So here is me putting on this New Balance made in USA 1993. So far it feels really comfortable. I have a few pairs of Adidas, and I feel like sometimes the Adidas feel kind of a lot of empty space between my shoes and my feet. So this one feel like it wrapped around my feet a little bit better. Like, it hugged my feet a little bit better, and it feels really lightweight wearing it. And the heel doesn't like slip off. This one I just ordered my regular size 9. Yeah, I can see why people think that the made in USA version, or at least the New Balance shoes, are so popular. I can see why, because it does feel really comfortable. And now I'm just wearing my Levi's jeans, and I feel like they easily match. So the left side, the back. Thanks for listening to my first impression and unboxing of this New Balance 993. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.